Hey guys, it's Karen Mayer. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about transcription jobs that pay up to $950 weekly, where you can earn from home. We're going to go over 5 different sites. Stick around until the end because the last one is the one that pays the most. And again, we are going to talk about transcription jobs you can do from home and earn between $250 and up to $950 a week. And the reason why these jobs are so great is because you get paid weekly. There's no experience required. Of course, you do need to have some skills, but it is also available worldwide and can be done from home. Imagine like just rolling out of bed and going to your computer, and that's your job. And you can take breaks whenever you want. You can set your own hours. And they also offer training and coaching with a lot of these sites here. So let's go ahead and talk about the first one. This one is called transcribemecom. It's completely free to sign up. This is what the site looks like here. And you get paid weekly between $15 and $22 per audio hour. And the top earners earn $2,200 a month. With the average earning of most users is $250 a month, but still $250 a month is a great part-time income. There's no experience required, there's no investment, and you do get paid weekly via PayPal. So you do have to have a PayPal account, but getting paid weekly is really good, and if you made $250 a month, that would definitely help out a lot of people. The second site is called scribecom right here. You can go to this site and check out the frequently asked questions here. But with this site, they pay $5 to $25 per audio hour. Let's go back here. Right. I want to make sure it didn't say minute, but $5 to $25 per audio hour. So basically you're going to get a file that's an hour long and you'll get paid $5 to $25 to transcribe that. You're listening to it and you're typing what is said. And I will say that this one here, the transcribemecom, I went ahead and signed up for it and went through the exam. It's not that difficult, but you will learn that the audios are not just someone speaking clearly. There's going to be some ums in there or different things that you'll have to work around. And they do offer training here on transcribemecom. They have a PDF where you go through and they tell you in certain circumstances this is what you would type. And that's the first part of the exam also, is they give you an example of something that someone may be saying and how you would actually transcribe that, taking out the ums and different things that don't really make sense and just get to what the meaning of the sentence really is. So back to scribecom, they have short files which are less than 10 minutes. They do pay via PayPal. And this one offers a bonus of $5 for every 3 hours that are completed each month. So if you complete 6 hours, you'll get $10. So for every 3 hours, you'll get $5. So that's a good bonus. And this one, there's a referral program where you earn 5% of every transcription order. So if you refer somebody and they actually order the services, they're not a transcriptionist themselves, you'll get paid 5% of every order that they place on the site. And then you can earn 2.5% of the earnings of anyone you refer who is a transcriptionist. So you can refer as many people as you want. There's no limit to the amount of earnings that you can get. So if you refer a lot of people and they do a lot of work on this site, you earn 2.5%. So that can definitely add up. So I like that about this site. The third one is dailytranscription.com. That's what this one looks like. You can go here also and check out the frequently asked questions. They do have a lot of information here. that will help you out. But this one pays weekly, again, via check if you're in the US or Canada. But if you're outside the US, it just says arrangements can be made. So I'm not sure exactly how they would pay you if you're outside the US, but you still can work even if you're not in the US and Canada. The rates are starting at 75 to 85 cents per audio minute. And the top earners make $250 to $950 per week. And this one is free to join. So that's the third one. Fourth one is GoTranscriptcom. And that's what this site looks like. And again, they do have their frequently asked questions on here as well. If you scroll down right here, you can check all those out. Now, all of these are going to have to do some sort of test because they have to know that you are proficient in whatever language you're going to be transcribing in, and just that you know how to type. And so don't be scared, though. It's not difficult to do. And I would start with some of the easier ones, like maybe the very first one I talked about, transcribemecom. You can start with that one because, like I said, the entrance exam is very easy to do. Okay, so back to GoTranscriptcom. The pay rate on that one is 60 cents per audio minute. The average monthly earnings with this one is a little bit less, is 150, and the top earner has earned $12.15 a month. And this one also, you do get paid weekly via PayPal. And then the last one is one where I found that you make the most money. This is 1-800-typeitup.com. And if you go here, you just click on apply, but you can see that they are definitely hiring. And the transcription pay rate is higher than any of the other ones. And it says that every day we are behind the scenes fighting for you all to make the wage you deserve despite our unethical competitors' efforts to tear down the transcription industry. That's why our transcription wage of $30 to $180 per audio hour surpasses their competitors. So even if they paid, okay, so that's an hour that you have to transcribe, which can take a while depending on your skill level. But let's say it even took you 4 hours. That definitely still is a lot, is good pay if you can earn up to the top earnings that they offer on 1-800-TYPE-IT-UP. And you'll need to take an entrance exam with this one. That does cost money. All the other ones are free, but this one costs $39. And then again, the pay rates averaged from $30 to $180 per audio hour. It is worldwide, and they do pay via PayPal, Western Union, or Payoneer. So definitely check out all of these sites. I'll leave them in the description below the video, so you can go ahead and go to these sites and go through the frequently asked questions. I would go ahead and sign up to all of them. That way you can get more work, but also you can just get more experience. And this is just a great way that you can make extra money from home. It could turn into a full-time income for you. If you're really good at typing and listening to audio and transcribing it, it definitely can add up, and you could earn a full-time income because some people do make like $2,200 a month. So I think it's great because you definitely don't have to go anywhere. You can do it from anywhere. You can go to Starbucks and do this and set your own hours and figure out how much it is that you want to earn each week. Definitely will take some practice and some skill, but it's not something that is difficult to do if you practice. So I would highly recommend checking out all these transcription jobs and signing up for all of them. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, if you want to earn more than the transcription job. That'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.